Millions of student loan borrowers have just 1 month left to figure out how they're going to resume those monthly payments on their loans. WSAV Now reporter Claire Going spoke with experts about how to prepare in case the grace period isn't extended. That's in tonight's economic report.
Under the CARES Act, federally held student loans have been frozen with 0% interest since March. This relief gave more than 42 million student loan borrowers a break. This includes more than 37 million that haven't made a payment in months. With no extension finalized at this point, experts say it's important to start preparing now.
Because the student loan program is ending in about a month, it's still a good time now to start thinking about the fact that that program is ending and prepare for it. Know what your payment is going to be. Know what your ability to afford that payment is.
Tain says for those who haven't been financially impacted by the pandemic, it may be a good time to increase monthly amounts to pay off loans faster.
If you have that type of student loan, you have two great options. One is that you don't have to pay. If you can't afford, then it's not accruing interest, which is great. But if you are working, it's a great time to pay because you will reduce the balance that you owe without adding interest onto it. So if you have even an extra $25 a month, it's my recommendation to try to make those payments.
With payments set to resume on January 31st, Tain suggests checking in with your loan servicer to understand exactly what date your first payment will be due and mark it on your calendar.
Especially in the private student loan arena. You need to have a conversation and ask what programs are available under the circumstances.
If you can't afford your payment, she suggests revisiting your repayment method and pursuing an income-driven plan if you don't already have one.
And yes, there's always a possibility it could get extended. My advice is don't rely on Congress potentially acting in the future to impact your student loans. Be prepared now, be prepared ahead of time. And if Congress acts and it benefits you, then great, you can make an adjustment and pivot at that time.
Reporting in Savannah, Claire Going, WSAV Now.
We've got much more advice from experts about preparing for that upcoming student loan payments at WSAV.com/now.